尾随，打，亮掌，下，调掌，打，擦掌，魔掌，调掌，出拳。长拳 hard technique combos training. Let's go.
Hope you enjoyed today's long fist training. The hand techniques combo is a great way to bring all the moves together, repeat them, and build strong stances, good body condition, and unforgettable memories. But Kung Fu is more than just drills. Life, like training, may look the same every day. Yet if we choose to create, to explore the details, and make each moment better, life becomes beautiful. Just like in our practice, a routine may seem repetitive, but when you focus on power from the waist, speed in the hands, and strength in every stance, it transforms into something alive and inspiring. Every step with intention makes the journey meaningful. A sword sharpened in 10 years, one strike to amaze the world. Thank you for training with us today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. See you next time. I love you all.